Hi, today I am showing you how the Ticketmaster bot works. So I have shown many demonstration previously, but still people ask for a new demonstration. That's why I am uploading this video. So as you can see, this is my files, all the files here. So if you order the lifetime, you will get this one, and there is also the time limited versions. So you can, if you want the bot, you can just knock me in my telegram and discuss with me, and if you thinks that it is worthy for you, you can order. So let me just show you that I have put the link here and the low price and the highest price here, and now I am just running the bot.
Starting the bot.
Okay, so the bot actually requires a product key now, so I am applying a test product key here. Okay, so as you can see, I have added the product key here. Now I am pressing enter, and now it says that valid till lifetime. If you buy a lifetime version, you will get the lifetime validity. If you get for 7 days, you will get 7 days, like that. And there is other packages too, so you can check out in my telegram. So for now I am just keeping it to voice alert and add to cart also. And I am trying to currently I am trying to buy tickets from a resale place. That's why I don't need to actually do any queue. And the event I am trying, there is no queue for now. That's why I am just not enabling the queue. But if you need to join any queue, then you can just checkmark it, so it will work. And if you want to use proxies, then you can use checkmark it also. And if you want to use telegram alert, gmail alert, you can turn on those too. So let's just start the bot now. So as you can see, the bot says that it has started. So you must have the latest version of Chrome browser installed on your PC. So now the bot is loading the event, as you can see here. So as you can see, it is doing all the steps so fast. So my internet connection is a bit slow, and I have added the delays, as you can see here, that the count is at 5, the loop delay 10
The ticket
seconds,
has been booked.
and the
Stop
delay
the
is
bot
3
and buy it
seconds.
as soon as possible.
Okay, so now it is
The
asking
ticket
for
has been
sign in.
booked.
So
Stop the bot and buy it
the
as
ticket
soon
is yours
as
for
possible.
about 8 minutes.
The ticket
So
has
you
been
need to
booked.
just
Stop the bot and
stop
buy
the
it
bot
as
here
soon as
and
possible.
buy the ticket. So this was the demonstration. If you have still any question, you can see, and if you have any doubt that it is a latest demonstration or not, you can see the date here. It is 5/23 2/25. Okay, so it is the today's date. So this is actually the latest demonstration. So if you have any question, you can comment, and if you want to discuss further, you can just text me on telegram and get it done. Thanks for watching the full video.